hippies on the corner. You know what? You know what I'm saying? Sound kind of hip. Like hippies on the corner. And you can sample that while you're at it. With a cup of Joe. Oh, the boy in Brooklyn. The man with the master plan. The Midas touch. And the badass stock Mike's got down.
Hey, Pistol Grip, Soul Searcher Sandpile, trying it, break.
I've said with that badass stock mic. I'll take that.
Hey, Pistol Grip, look like I might not be making the trip up that way, man, in that northeast side. Hello, boy in Brooklyn. Pistol Grip, 127, Soul Searcher Sandpile, waving.
Yes, Blade Runner. I guess they didn't know what I was doing. No, Soul Searcher, the 555. 127, you won't waving at you.
Hey, 555, man, I guess I can't get in 0127's ear hole, man, so I'm going to go ahead and wave right at you there. 555, you made it in my receive down around the pile. Soul Searcher waving.
Right back, Soul Searcher. 328, North Carolina, always on waving hello.
Right on, right back there, 555. Hello, Honky Tonk. I heard you key up in there too, no doubt about it. Y'all sounding grand in the sand today, man. Nice to have these conditions. 225 Soul Searcher by beautiful Highlands Hammock getting on down.
Y'all have a good morning. 328, North Carolina, always on back wide.
Alright, 328. North Carolina, Honky Tonk, got you in there, no doubt about it. Waving on a happy Memorial Day, and I'll see you.
Well, you boarded it up, Pistol Grip, there you go. Alright. What up, what? Skip. 028. Now I know I gotta go back in here and do something. And I know just what that is.
Hey, 127, get that grip off your lip. Hey, 127, Soul Searcher Sandpile with that wave.
Roger, Soul Searcher. Let me swap up these radios, Soul Searcher.
And man, I'll let you do your thing, no doubt about it. I'm going to be out here a few minutes getting ready to crank up the old barbecue, no doubt about it. Hey, Pistol Grip, just wanted to wave real quick and step on out.
Oh, you. Hey, Soul Searcher, station number 1 in the garden.
Hey, station number 1. Hello, station number 1. Happy Memorial Day to you. Soul Searcher Sandpile waving right back.
Sound good, man? You sound like 445 radio, man, now.
Doggone it, man. A big old train wreck that time. No two ways about that. Good afternoon time. Out around DX land, Soul Searcher Sandpile on this mail.
The top road, for some reason. Let's get ready to start a video game. Let me see if I can get up for this stuff on audio. Hey, Soul Searcher. Start a video game, Soul Searcher. You're 127, you won't stand by.
Hey, little boy there in Brooklyn. The boy in the boroughs, no doubt about it. Hey, man, I just, you're a little bit late on that video gate, man. I already got one cranked off, 4 minutes into it, no doubt about it. Hey, Pistol Grip, one more time. Soul Searcher Sandpile with that wave.
Yeah, I guess situated the way I want before your video game ends. No doubt about it. Hello, Sandpile. 936 Virginia Beach. How copy?
Hey, 936, I got to leave 127 on the mall because I got to talk to my radio, no doubt about it. Good afternoon time to you. Happy Memorial Day, Soul Searcher waving.
Yeah, 10 rods to Soul Searcher. Sounding good up here in Virginia Beach. Me and my 30 watts getting out. Bye.
Well, doggone it, you got a whole lot of Mother Nature sitting in your lap then with them 30 watts comping, unless you got a big old antenna, no doubt about that. 936 Soul Searcher stepping off.
Matter of fact, it is a homebrew.
Yeah, it was a train wreck that time, man. You know, with these big old antennas, you got to kind of point them right at somebody, no doubt about it. All right, man, have yourself a super fine with 936, man. Happy Memorial Day to you and yours, from me and mine. Soul Searcher, Sam Powell, getting down.
All right, Soul Searcher, turn the bump on the, turn the amp on a little bit. Got about 350 watts coming at you now.
Right on, right back, 936, loud and proud, man. You can check it out on Soul Searcher Radio. I'm going to put you right on the gate. Hey, 936 up there in Virginia, take it easy, take care. I'm gone.
What is that, on Facebook?
Yeah, it's on YouTube, man. It's called Soul Searcher Radio there, Roger.
Yeah, 10-4, I'd like to hear myself.
410, man. Well, you'll get it, and it'll be probably around 5, or is it 6? 6 minutes and 8 seconds there, 10-4. Hey, 127, I hear you squeezing in between them keys, no doubt about it, man. You can check it all out and see what you sound like. Hey, 127, take care. Happy Memorial Day once again, Soul Searcher on the pile, back wide.
Hey, Soul Searcher. Hey, Soul Searcher. I get in where I fit in. Oh, Soul Searcher, I get in where I fit in. You're down there on the pile. Soul Searcher, I get in where I fit in. You're worldwide. Soul Searcher, I get in where I fit in. Your pistol down.
Ain't no two ways about that, man. We all got to get in when we fit in, no doubt about that, man. Sounding real good out there, man. It's good to have some DX in my receive. No two ways about it.
So what'd you say? It's on like 7 minutes and what now?
7 minutes and 17 seconds. I had to search mine yesterday on trucks, man, to see what I was doing up there with Weed Killer. No doubt about it, man. I like to hear this old derail special right here, man. This derail striker. Hey, take it easy up there, Pistol Grip. Once again, Soul Searcher on the pile, back out.
Me and this old stock mic radio, hey, Soul Searcher. Central Florida Nightcrawler's waving. Yeah, my Google's not finding you, Soul Searcher.
Yeah, you got to go on YouTube, man. You got to hit that YouTube channel. Hey, Chicken Man. Chicken Man up around the Buckeye. I'm not even really pointed your way too much, but hey, Chicken Man, while I got the mic down, let me wave to you. Happy Memorial Day. Chicken Man, Soul Searcher, Sam Powell waved and stepped back. Alrighty there, Chicken Man. There's just no mistaking that doggone key when you unkey like that. I hear them chickens. I know why they call you the Chicken Man. And doggone it, I might get some chicken out on that grill today. Hey, Chicken Man, take care. Soul Searcher Sam Powell, back out. Hey, 24 up around Indiana, man. I caught you in there, no doubt about it. 24 Indiana, Soul Searcher Sam Powell waving back.
Soul Searcher Sam Powell, 370 Keystone waving.
Alright, 370 in the stone, man. Sounding good. I heard old Weed Killer key up in there, man. I'm not really pointed at him. But doggone it, that Keystone station just cleaned my receive out. Soul Searcher Sam Powell waving.
Alright, Chris Soul Searcher. I heard it all because you said it all, man. You said the top shelf for this Memorial Day. 370 Keystone Kodiac said that.
Alright, 370. Yeah, man, I always like to get out here, man. And those of you that served our country, man, I sure appreciate that. No doubt about it. Have yourself a super fine one out there, man, up in the Stone. 370. Soul Searcher Sandpile, wave and step back.
Nice there, sir. You take care of 70. Oh, yeah. Of course, me and mine, my friend. 370, your Keystone Kodiac, waving a paw and dropping his ball. Take over. Like 2 years ago, 11 months ago.
Check, check.
I bet you out there DX land. I bet you DX land. 370 on the Keystone, waving with the wave. You keyed up. I said, man, I think conditions left us. Yeah, I had a phone call from my mom. I said, I heard someone out there hollering for me, 370 on the Keystone, waving. Hey, you tried it, and I said, shit, that shit done left, so I didn't even try it till just then. I didn't have it. Alright, Soul Searcher. I got that new video game rolling. Your pistol. Mother Nature acting all kinds of weird up here in the Keystone. I heard Soul Searcher, and there's some other guys talking to me, but fade in, fade out.
Hey, 127. I heard you got it rolling, man, but that doggone Keystone Kodiac, boy, got a big old paw out there, no doubt about it.
Hey, man, I ain't trying to cut nobody's lips off. That ain't the goal around here. I'm trying to let everybody get out there if they want to. I'm just trying to get my name called, that's all. Oh, 370 on the Keystone, just a waving.
Yeah, let me call it for you, man. 370. Let me call it again, no doubt about it, man. I ain't trying to put no target on anybody's back. There's no... Because you know how it is in DX land. We all get covered up every now and again. Hey, Keystone Kodiac, man, you're sounding grand in the sand. Soul Searcher told you, and I'm backing out.
Soul Searcher. Like I said, I ain't trying to plug nobody's ears up. I'm just trying to get out there, man. We waving 4 fingers in a thumb. Anybody out there that hears this radio, happy Memorial Day. Take care.
Right on, man. I'm going to back it on out of here and let some others get in there and squeeze it in there too, man, because I don't want to plug no ear holes either, no doubt about it. Hey, once again, take care and happy Memorial Day. Right back to you. One more time. Soul Searcher in the sand pile, back whack.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You take care. If you serve our country, sir, how do you say thank you? Have a great Memorial Day. You want to always skip being heard over here in Brooklyn, New York at the moment. Hey, Soul Searcher, you are the only DX transmission being heard over here in Brooklyn, New York City at this moment. You're worldwide 127.
Yeah, I appreciate that, 127. I'm going to back on out of here for a second, man, and go ahead and load this thing up. It's getting a little long. You know, nobody wants to sit there for 20 minutes trying to find their name. Hey, 127, I'll be back.
Midnight, he said he's done. I bet you DX land, I bet you out there, DX land, 370.